at the Beehive, a house share in Hoole. You come up the stairs to this lovely outdoor space and a private entrance to the property into a shared hallway. To the left is a communal living space with TV, computer and sofas. Through to the right, the communal dining room and kitchen area. All really lovely and modern. The room we have available is on the first floor. It's a double bedroom, come up at £430 a month. All bills included. This room comes furnished and also has an ensuite shower room.